Watch this video carefully if you did not go to an IIT or IIM. Hi there. So you didn't make it to an IIT or IIM. Join the club. Most people don't. In fact, probably 99.99% of us don't. I didn't, and many of you may not have done. Now, this does not mean that you can't have an amazing career going forward. In this video, I will share with you 5 killer action points that can make you forget all about those big name schools and still do well in your career. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First, some disclaimer. I have not gone to any IIT or IIM, so if you thought so, that's not true. Action point number 1. Build real skills. Focus on building real tangible skills. Employers love skills. They don't care where you got them from as long as you have them. Coding, digital marketing, data analysis, project management. Pick what you want. Pick something that interests you and you're really good at it. There are tons of online courses like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube also. Become a master in the field and watch opportunities open up. I made a choice very early in my career and decided to focus on quality management and operational excellence. And I have stuck to that. I've also noticed that among the 500 people that I've coached in the last few years, there is a deep need for mastery. And if you read Drive, which is one of my favorite books, that also talks about mastery, autonomy, and purpose. Action point number 2, network like a pro. Network, network, and network. And I don't mean handing out business cards at conferences. Those days are over. Build genuine relationships, attend conferences, industry events, join professional groups on LinkedIn, on other sites, or in person as well. Don't be shy to reach out to people for maybe a coffee chat. Remember, it's not about what you know, but who you know. What can you give in a relationship? What can you do in a network is more important. A strong network will open doors that your degree can't. Take my own case. My BE was from a low ranked college. It is doing pretty well now, so it's a higher ranked college now. But I figured out early in my career that I have to invest in building a network. It has helped me immensely in learning new skills in my career, getting to know more people, expanding my network, and eventually I will soon be completing 30 years my career and long way to go. If you've been with me till now in this video, who am I? My name is Anshuman Tiwari. I am a senior executive. I am also a LinkedIn top voice since January 2022. More recently, I was voted leadership superstar from my MBA Institute for over 25 batches. I was also selected in the same year as a top leadership content creator on LinkedIn. Why am I sharing all this with you? Because I have built my career brick by brick. When you don't go to an IIT or IIM, as most of us will not go, you have no choice but to build your career brick by brick. There is no wall that you can scale overnight. You will have to build brick by brick. A little bit more about me. I also run India's most popular and attended leadership and management LinkedIn Live series called Manage Better. It has now completed 100 episodes. The 100th episode was a bumper one with Ankur Wariku gracing it. So I have some standing to be able to give you some input which you can use. Now back to the points that I was sharing. Action point number 3, create a personal brand. Extremely important to do. If you're all around yourself, particularly on LinkedIn, everybody's trying to create a personal brand. In this digital age, your online presence is your new business card. People should know you before you land in the room. Share your knowledge through blogs, LinkedIn posts, or even YouTube videos like the one I am making now. And be consistent and authentic. Share your knowledge. Give advice and knowledge that you have. Show the world that you are passionate about and what you can offer. Over time, you will build a reputation that precedes you. You may not know, but you already have a personal brand. The absence of your brand is also a brand. Your brand speaks about you in rooms that you are not even invited to be present. I started building my brand some years ago and it is work in progress, but I am getting some distance. Action point number 4, seek out mentors. Mentors are extremely important in your journey. Find someone who's been there, done that, and learn from their experiences. Mentors can provide guidance, feedback, and even introduce you to key contacts. Don't hesitate to ask for mentorship. It's one of the best ways to accelerate your career over a long period of time. However, I use this tip. I, over the years, have realized that I may not always have the technical competence to make it to the top. So I found mentors who could guide me, counsel me, coach me, and over a period of time have helped me survive and thrive. Action point number 5: keep learning and growing. The world is constantly changing. I am sure you are tired of listening to all this, but the world is indeed constantly changing, and staying updated and current is very, very crucial. Read books, attend workshops, be curious, ask questions, learn more from people. The more you learn, the more valuable you will become for your organization. Of course, you have to implement that learning. Learning alone is not enough. You will have to implement. But learning is the first step. If you don't learn something new, how will you implement all that? Right. Some years ago, I did a diploma course on innovation and design thinking because I was in that field and I realized that I didn't have any formal education in that field. So I plugged that gap, learned something new, and it is now useful for me. And who knows, you might be teaching at one of these IITs and IIMs. I will share my own example. Earlier this year, I conducted a small session at IIT Ropar, and only recently I spoke to students of IIM Lucknow, and I will soon be also speaking to students of another IIM. Now, I didn't go to any IIT or IIM, but over the years, by building brick by brick career, I have been able to get these opportunities only because I had invested in the tips that I am sharing with you. In summary, just because you didn't go to an IIT or IIM doesn't mean you are any lesser or you are out of the race. Build real skills, network like a pro, create a personal brand, seek out mentors, and keep learning. Remember, it is up to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such career tips. See you next time. Till then, manage better brick by brick.